Hello everyone, welcome to my creative channel to watch more videos on Flask in Pandas using Python. As we have gone through many videos on Pandas such as Python visualize Postgres data using Pandas, then Python Pandas matplotlib bar chart, Python data handling using Pandas, and many more videos on Pandas. Today's video is enhancement of previous video, Python Flask Pandas with PostgreSQL new. So let us go through the program in detail. First of all, we will go through the HTML file, that is login.html, through which I am passing the parameter name of the student. This is HTML file. I am passing name of the student as a parameter. We'll see. I'll show the table here. Name I will be passing, and each and everything will be displayed in the graph. So the table name is student. Attributes are ID, name, English, Maths, Science. Anil is having more marks in every subject. So we will go through Python file, that is importing required libraries needed for the program. App Flask instance of to create instance of Flask class, connection string. Then if it is unable to connect, this message will be displayed here. Render template, in the sense when I will run the program directly, home page login.html file will be open. Then method is equal to post, because my connection is secured. Then login one, name of method. Then if the request is post, then parameter name which I am passing through HTML, that will be stored in name of the student in name one. Then query, select name, English, Science, Math, mark from student where name is equal to, that will match with the parameter. Then read the query with name one, and this thing I have done new, something interesting. df.plot kind bar chart, name, math, science, everything will be displayed in the graph, bar graph, and each and every maths color will be different, then science color will be different, and English color will be different. Then here to show the graph. Connection close means close the session with the Postgres server. Render template, in the sense after completion of the program, it will directly open the login.html file. Then I want to run this program at the command prompt. Now I will execute the program. Yes. Now I will click on the link. First of all, I will pass the name Sachin. Yes, everything is displayed. Sachin, maths mark are displayed, science mark are, instead of numeric in graph, we can clearly identify the marks. Now again I will execute the program and pass with different parameter. Here I will pass the name of Anil. Yes, so Anil is having good marks in maths, science, and English. Name is Anil here, and these are the marks. So I have successfully done with Python Flask Pandas with PostgreSQL. Display bar chart with each and every subject of particular student. which uh, which will clearly identify how much marks he get rather than numeric point of view. So if you like this video, please share with your friends. Thank Please subscribe to my channel. I have taken more efforts to create this video. Share me it in comments. I will be back with more videos on Node.js, Pandas, Python, machine learning, Streamlit. Thanks for watching.